Okay, looking at the microgrid, we did a trade last night, top tick. The trade brought in 25 points. However, the bottom was around 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock in the morning. When you do a trade, you have an entry point. You got that at top tick. Part two, you need to have a profit objective, meaning if you want 5 or 10 or 15 points, you put a limit to get out of the trade. You get up in the morning, you have a profit. Okay, so you need to put in a entry, and you need to put in a point where you'll achieve a profit. Now, in the morning here, I got up and I simply looked at the chart and we did a trade. We got about 12 points. Okay, so you got 25 points yesterday, uh, about 12 points today so far. Okay, now the fractals are complex. Okay, there is not a finite set of fractals. For example, 10, 15, 30, maybe 40 different types of fractals for the top and bottom. And what I've been doing is labeling the fractals for you. So when you see this particular form here, okay, that's a decaying fractal. You can expect a trend to go down. We did go short there, okay. Likewise, that was on the 3-minute time frame. On the 5-minute time frame, we have another decaying fractal. Okay, I labeled it for you. All right, and we have another one here, a nested decaying fractal. I labeled it for you. All you have to do, you find a similar fractal in the catalog, and then you put in a entry point, a stop, and a profit objective, or you can just lower the stop. Okay, so today we have decaying fractals on the 3-minute time frame, the 5-minute time frame, and the 15-minute time frame. Right now it's about 8:43. We have a long day. Now, how far will the micro fall? We don't know, again, until we find another fractal here, okay? That's called a discovery. Right now, the trend continues to go down. We got a little bounce there. And if we look at the other time frames, we have another decaying fractal here. Okay, again, A, B, C, D, E. If we go above here, okay, the market will begin to grow. Right now, the market is decaying. And the bottom here, okay, that could be a profit objective. But again, you're trying to attempt to get 10, 15, 20 points a day. Don't go for the home run. It's not going to happen. The trades are short in duration, okay? Um, maybe 10 minutes, maybe half hour. As soon as you get your profit objective, you exit the trade and you go for another one, okay? Right now, we don't have anything clear. The bounce here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here's the bounce, okay? That's why the market is bouncing here. We have another growth fractal here, okay? That's why the market is bouncing, and to capture the profit, I would probably try to exit around here, okay? Now, if we take this particular fractal, we've seen it so many times before, all you have to do, you label the fractal, okay? You got an A here, right? You got a B here, right? You can find fractals in the library, or you can go to Neil. He'll point them out for you every day, every hour. That's the D, okay? And then you have me here. And then you have A, B, C, D, F, and then you have the bottom here. Okay, that's a terminal point there. All right, that's a D. And what I do, I make that a little bit bigger so you can follow it. Okay. Now, a day trader, okay, you're doing a trade for a couple of minutes, maybe 5 or 10. Here's your setup. You can do this every hour. Okay. You have the top of the fractal here. Okay, and you have the bottom of the fractal here. Okay. Right now we're in growth phase, and that's why we're getting the bounce. Okay. Now, what happens here on a 3-minute time frame will affect the 5-minute time frame, the 15-minute time frame, and the bottom time frame here too. Okay. So again, the idea today, again, the trades are short in duration. Do not hold for the entire day. Okay, because you're going to go crazy. The market is changing all the time, every hour, every minute. The idea, again, is to try to grab um, um, an acceptable profit. Okay, so if you're getting 15 points a day on a trade, okay, in 5 minutes, 10 minutes, half hour, that's the whole idea. Do not do a trade and hang on to it for the entire day, hoping and wishing it's going to go in your direction. Okay. What you want to do again, you want to have an entry point, you put a stop loss, and you have a profit objective, maybe 5, 10, 15 points or over the stock. Okay. Quite simple. So again, uh, now we're going to have to wait to see what develops here. If we have another discovery, if we don't have another discovery, the market will continue to trend down. Hank Wernicke, signing off.